Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We draw a big circle shape. This is the body part of pineapple. Now, we draw pineapple leaves. We draw some triangle shape, one after another. This is the leaves. Next, we draw some straight line. In the middle of the pineapple, it turns into small boxes. Pineapple is a tropical fruit with a rough, brown skin. It has a sweet, yellow flesh inside. Pineapples grow on a plant, not a tree. The plant has long, sword-like leaves. The top of the pineapple has a crown of leaves. Yellow color. Pineapples are native to warm, tropical regions. They are a good source of vitamin C. Pineapple also contains fiber and bromelain, which aids digestion. The fruit has a sweet and tangy taste. Pineapples can be eaten fresh, juiced, or dry. Pineapples are often used in desserts, salads, and even on pizza. The scientific name for pineapple is Ananas commosus. In some languages, ananas means excellent fruit. Pineapple plants can grow for about 18 to 24 months before producing a fruit. The tough outer skin of the pineapple is made up of sections called eyes. Each eye was once a flower. Pineapples are also used to make jams and candies. Some people enjoy pineapple in savory dishes like fried rice. Pineapple is a healthy and delicious fruit. It's a fun fruit to learn about and enjoy. Green color. color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.